I'm Geriatric. This is episode 5. You know what the bad news is out there. Now, it's time for the good business news. Over the past few days, nearly all Tennessee businesses are back, baby, and open, at least in sub-capacity. I think I speak for everyone when I say Tennessee, it's time for our COVID comeback moment. Has a nice ring to it. Kentucky Fried Chicken this week announced they're partnering with Beyond Meat and NBA star Chris Paul to donate 200 Beyond Fried Chicken meals in support of healthcare workers. That is finger-licking good business news. The Maury Regional Healthcare Foundation recently announced they'll be giving all gifts that they receive from the Big Payback back to patients, employees, and communities impacted by COVID-19. And Preventia Security teamed up with Highway 55 Burgers, Shakes, and Fries in Shelbyville to feed 500 cheeseburgers this week to families and children. And a shout out from NHC Healthcare Lewisburg this week to a local hero, Debbie Heilman. She's been making masks and giving them to NHC. Now I have a question for you. Are you down with PPP? Yeah, you know me. We've received word through the grapevine that Neil Hedden and his team at First Citizens National Bank in Spring Hill have secured over $70 million in PPP loans for small businesses and nonprofits in the Middle Tennessee area. Nice work, Neil. That's the way to be down with PPP. Marshall County's Economic Development Department and the Young Professionals of Marshall County recently announced a relief fund to help businesses affected by COVID-19. They're calling it the Marco Micro Grant. Marco Polo, gimme that grant. Go get it, Marshall County businesses. And the Outlook Clothing in Pulaski feels for those local graduates out there, and to put a smile on their face, they're willing to give them free t-shirts. That's right, the Outlook Clothing is giving free t-shirts to Giles County and Richland High School seniors. Now that really moves my tassel. Way to go, Outlook Clothing. Now, we go to the Bad Haircut Hotline live to Pyongyang. North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un is apparently alive and well. Welcome, dictator.
Hi, Jerry. I'm alive. Are we done yet?
Well, apparently we've lost the transmission. Imagine that. Well, that'll do it for this episode of Good Business News, and from everyone here at GBN, I'm Geriatric saying thank you for letting us into your home and onto your phone, where you're probably watching us from the bathroom right now for the last several weeks. It has been an honor to bring you good business news during these uncertain times. We don't know when we'll be back, but our hope is, if you'll have us, we'll be back soon. In the meantime, keep looking out for your neighbor and stay healthy, my friends.
My name is Joe Exotic, and you're watching Good Business News.